I was with KTM and motorcycles all my lifetime. It's in my genes because my father was a motorcycle rider already, my uncle was a motorcycle rider, and he also was the founder of KTM. And over the years I got now the chance to change into car racing. It's the same pleasure, it's the same fun, it's the same experience. We founded in 2010 the KTM Crossbow Battle. The Crossbow Battle is a typical race series for amateur drivers. It's a strong community that we create there. It's more than a family, because if you take a look on the paddock, drivers bringing their wives, their kids. It's not about being the first, it's being part of it. We already realized that the lap times in the Crossbow Battle with the Michelin tires that we will use this year will be down by 3 to 4 seconds, depending on the racetrack. Every racer knows that this is really a lot. The Crossbow is combining the best of two worlds, the motorcycle world on one side and the supercar world on the other side. We made this reality together with our designer Gero Kiska, together with Dallara, and the outcome was a street legal race car, the Crossbow. One of the main reasons why we're here in Barcelona is the introduction of the new Crossbow GT. This is the first evolution of the Crossbow that we have introduced in 2007. It combines a power-to-weight ratio which is almost unbeatable. It has low fuel consumption, so it comes with a windscreen. It's a safe car, by the way, with the carbon fiber monocoque, and it's good looking. I think it's going to be a very, very exciting product for KTM. The best experience in car racing for sure is if you are together with other drivers, even if you have to brake in front of the turn, and the excitement, who brakes first, who brakes last. So that's a lot of adrenaline that's really firing you up, and it's a good experience.
Michelin. Wir bringen Sie weiter.